Welcome to the channel, guys. In this video we are seeing the remaining part of the how to locate the elements and the operations. This is part 2. In last video we have just located the elements, just 4 elements we have located, which this is two are there and these two buttons are there, right? And these two in this these two also have same class and button also same in this page also. These two also same class name, there is text, and this just we have to look at this element. So we are going to start the inspector. Is Appium service just stop and started the server, then inspector also started. This capability is already saved, so just start the color course with something showing that. Oh yes, there is a remaining. Okay, uncheck this. We are going to just locate this element. Just we will look at the got it element. So we have the navigation buttons here, and we have to look at the got it. So how we could locate this? Just press this. Here I could find there is a studio line, there is a dot, and this is for got it button, right? Copy this button ID and we are just mentioning our string got it button ID. Okay, this is a package name ID, right? And we are just creating an element driver dot find element, because we are using class, so find elements by class, find elements by class name. That is, we have class name is app logo class name, logo class name dot get one for the, like we have already seen that. One second, we have already seen that this has a one index number and this has two, which is have the same class name on the all the 3 pages. So we are just calling the app name for this, and we have mentioned the got here also. So we have this also have the, once again I will refresh it. Okay, this has index number 1 and this is index number 2 for welcome statement. So we are just 1 and 2 you are using for the app name and app welcome statement. So get 1 for the app name. So here is a app name equal to, and we are using mobile element. Then we are just closing the statement. Here is something is showing the species. So here is they giving the cost to Appium that client. So click on that, the error will get removed. So here it will added some import is there automatically, java.client mobile element, or it might be it will ask for you to add dependency. So just add a dependency. Then I am using that for the driver. So I'm just copy the statement, Control C, control V, control V. So how much element I have to identify? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So just copy that 5. This is for the app welcome statement. So we just get text only the welcome statement, and we have to click on button, right? So then skip button, just skip button. Then this is for the next button, and this is for the got it. Okay, so this is we are using for get text 2, and for that skip button we are using id. So instead of replace the by id, this is single element, so don't use the yes, and this replace with the get, remove the get, and replace this with the skip button. Skip button id, same I am going to use for the 3. Skip button id, this is next button id, and this is for the got it button id. Okay, now we have already designed these cases. So what we are going to do, we are performing launching application after this open. Then we will get this text, e-commerce application name, and the application welcome statement. Then click on next, this will page will appear, and we will get this text, and then skip, and this will appear. So just we will see the how we are going to perform this. Just what the first step we have to do, just add the wait time thread dot sleep for the 3 seconds. Here is add method signature at the interrupted exception. Then what we are going to do, like we are getting text, right? So app name dot get text and store it in string app equal to, just close it, and then string app welcome statement equal to, so which element we are using, that's app welcome statement. So app welcome statement mobile element, this is not right. One thing, one second, this is the not right way. First we have to write the operation, and then we have to create our suggestion. App welcome statement dot get text, and we have to store the in form of welcome statement equal to, so it's by default whatever the format it will generate. So just create the local variable, this already get text. Okay, so we are just printing this text. So system dot out dot println and we are using this string, this app name is, so app name equal to, and then we are using app, right? App name equal to plus app, this we are using, and just another one for system dot out dot println, then app welcome equal to welcome statement, right? After that we are wait, then we are clicking for the next button, that is next button dot click, and then we are going to skip button dot click. This thing we are going to do, right? So let us see how this will work. We are going to run a whole class. So this server is connected and this will also open. We are just closing the app. 1 second, this is putting this emulator only, so 1 second. Let's start the emulator. Let's close the application. Start the server, and we have like we are going to run the code. The skip button only till the wait we are going. 1 second to synchronize, just remember to add the wait also in between the processes, so our script get synchronized with this. And the inspector role is not involved in this, so just run this command with run. Where is the emulator exactly? Emulator is here. Okay, running is now started. We can stop. Whole class I have run. So first is because before test, so setup is running. They launching the application. Something is got PC, so we have got to get this statement is not working. It's saying what is exactly this is the index out of bound exception. So index is not saying that app logo. So sorry, we have used the app logo class name, so we have to use app intro class name, right? So app intro class name, and here also app intro class name. So we can't get text of the app logo. We just check that it is visible or not. Okay, so this is the wrong things we have in our project, so can't save this changes. Again run the class, again run the class. Just start the emulator. Let's again see the what is the process going on. Again the problem is somewhere, it is a mobile element skip button id is there. What is the class cast exception is there. So which of the class we are using, that is yes. So if you note here yes, so this kind of the exception will appear. So this is a single element, so we can't use the yes. Then save this, again run the like this. We can remove the error from this. The blue line shows where the exactly code stop. So now we can see the setup, or we didn't use the driver close, so it will not close automatically. Next video we will see the close. So here like that app name is there, app welcome statement is given the dot. So what is the exactly we have this saying, this run statement is there, right? Like this we have done something like this giving dot. So this will be for 0 and this one is for 1. Okay, so now it will give the right the app name and app package. So run the again class. It will launch, just giving something. Again problem is there where launch skip button click, this didn't visible. I think the skip button for this. If we are unable to visible, so we are just putting the wait here 10 seconds, and it's also very put wait for 10 seconds. So we can guess how the process will going. So again they launch this. We can see the logs also here. Launching the application, click on skip. This is all test got paused. Also we have the app name and the app welcome statement is there, and we can also skip button of this, the screen will open. So thank you guys, like, share and subscribe if you like the content. Also suggest some suggestions what kind of content you want.